Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy movement today, big gap down, and then you look at this portion of the chart, and you can see by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a while. And things, I'll be honest, I was planning on talking a little bit differently about this one because the last I looked at it, the price was actually doing a great job of holding as support with this level right here at $1.46, doing a good job of, like I said, maintaining support. I mean, the price bounced off it right there, and then the price was maintaining and had bounced off it right there. And now all of a sudden I pull up the chart, and the final 30 minutes, not only did the volume increase, but all of a sudden the price has now broken down below that area of support. Is that the end of the world? I'm not saying it's the end of the world. However, it's kind of a buzzkill for the nice setup that was taking place. Because like I said, at last I checked, you had a nice higher base building right here. And, given that the previous low was right here, it was kind of a question of, all right, are the bulls kind of bracing for a potential, continuation of this bounce? And right now that looks a lot shakier given the price is no longer holding above that, area of support, which also segues into the first resistance. And this comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bounce tomorrow, that key, an initial area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be the $1.46 mark. In the event the price can push through $1.46, next key level to keep an eye on up there at $1.52. As far as areas of support are concerned now, pretty much just simply where the bleeding stopped today. I mean, I personally think the price is headed down to $1.42, if not lower, with this late day break, and especially when you consider the higher volume here. But there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so only time will tell. But yeah, like I said, and I don't want to come across like this is some great discovery on my part. There's a lot of people that understands charts and use charts that notice this, and it's kind of created a buzzkill type move. So that's why I don't think it heading down to $1.42 or even below is really that unlogical, out of the realm of reason. Just because, yeah, a very non-ideal way from the long side that is to see the price close out. So, but like I said, no guarantees, only time will tell. So it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out tomorrow to close out the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.